can't stop grieving over the loss of someone you love, the reason is surprisingly simple. You aren't meant to be separated from those you love, and reconnecting and staying connected is the only way to turn off the tears and transform your grief to joy. Hi, I'm Dr. Jame Turndorf, author of the #1 bestseller, Love Never Dies, How to Reconnect and Make Peace with the Deceased. And if you're ready to make this the year that you learn how to free yourself from the death trap of grief and experience greater healing and prosperity in every area of your life, you'll want to join me at Agape International Spiritual Center in Los Angeles for my workshop, Love Never Dies, How to Reconnect and Make Peace with Your Lost Loved One. It all happens Sunday, March 25th, 2:30 to 6:30 p.m., room 2. To find out more and register, visit agapelive.com. Wishing you all the love in this world and beyond. See you at Agape.